Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I've got a lot of hair, so I need to put them out of my face with the help of hair gel because today we are gonna put on some bald cap. Now I'm doing this for the first time, so please bear with me. I got this from Amazon, but I think it is good if you have a good quality ball cap. Now after this, I'm just gonna seal the ball cap on using the spirit gum. Oh my god, I just lost my mind right there. Anyway, so I'm just gonna put them on, and then just to make it disappear, I'm gonna use color set powder from Maroon, and then I'm gonna use the flash palette, the white paint from the Makeup Forever, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my head, my face, my ear. Obviously you can't miss that part. Now I made all of this on my own using some clay, so as you can see it's a lot of detailed work, especially with paintings and all that. It took me quite a while to come up with all this, but hey, at the end result it looks good. So for the eyes, I'm gonna use Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. It's the remaster one, so I'm just gonna use the all neutral color just to give it a bit of look to go along with the gold color on the middle of the eyes, just to complete the whole look. And the other eye, I haven't got much on it, so I'm just gonna keep it a bit darker just to give it a skull look, because I'm doing half skull on that look. So putting on my crown and my badge, kind of looks military look, but I was going for skull look right here. So we are pretty much done here. The final look is with the lashes. I'm using Peri lashes. I just coated them with the gold paint, and then we are done.